my people, you already know what I'm doing. You know what I'm into, and you have been seeing my video. In fact, you have been seeing what I've been doing right from the days of John the Baptist. And you are not sharing it. And you are not telling your people all about what I'm doing. You are not letting them to see it. Only you are watching it, you are keeping it in your body, you are keeping it in your phone. It's thunder from heaven that we.
Papa, I beg. Please, don't swear for them.
Let me drop this one for them.
Papa, please.
Scoop it, Papa
Ojo,
come on.
let's do it tactically.
Very good.
Papa Ojo.
No problem. It's okay now.
Can I talk to them?
Don't talk to them yet. If you don't share what I'm doing, you don't let people to know about what I'm doing. Is this Tipe regime or Kwakwa your phone is?
Hey, Papa.
Is this Tipe regime that will hang in your neck?
Papa Ojo, let me talk to them, please.
Talk to them.
Are you sure that calamity is not too big for them?
Talk to them.
We are out here again. You already know House of Z Comedy. You know what we do for a living.
Exactly.
We have been doing it for a living. Just like my colleague here have said, right from the day of John the Baptist, you have been watching it. You keep it. Now, the way this T-Pain will tactically engulf you.
As if you are playing golf. We are doing this for the living, and we are still going to be doing it for the living.
You must share it.
As a living.
You must like it.
As a living.
You must broadcast it.
As a broadcaster, you are not TBS, but you are still going to broadcast it.
Let it go viral. Let people laugh. Share the laughter. Laughter is the best medicine. Share it.
Come on. Share.